What's going on, guys? Not much. Alright, so this video right here is going to be how to remove the ECU to either do Honda Reflash or Honda K-Pro, or if you just want to know how to get your ECU out in your car. This is a 2002 to 2005 Honda Civic Si, the best Honda Civic ever made, obviously, because, you know, the shifters in the dash. How much cooler could that get? So, alright guys, let's go ahead and figure it out. So, step one, you need to remove this plastic piece under here. This comes under here. I've already removed it just to kind of show you guys the pieces. See these little pieces on the back? Those push in, and then these clips right here up front. Yeah, mine are gross and dirty, but what it does is it slides in and pushes up, and that's how it locks in. So to remove it, you just pull down and pull out, and then it's out. And two, my seats are already out, so this just makes it a little easier for the video because I got a little bit more space. Next, you need to check out your glove box. Ta-da! Open your glove box. Make sure all the crap inside the glove box is out. And then, on the inside of here, should I get a light? Yeah, I'll grab a light. Got some light. Yeah, this is better now. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove these pieces right here. They go right up here. And then what you're going to do is just push it from the back side right here. Just, boop, pop it out, and then they'll fall out. Excuse the dirt, because this is how you purchase a beater car. Same thing, there's one over here. You're gonna pop that out, and then also, yeah, you just stick your finger on that side, pop it out. Make sure everything's out of the glove box at this point, because the glove box will fall on the ground. So let's go ahead and get that one out. Like I said, everything, as soon as you pop this out, it falls out. Everything falls on the floor. And back here is your ECU. This is what you want to get out. There's one screw right here, 10 millimeter. And then you're going to unplug these on the bottom. I already unplugged these just because it was in the process. And I was like, well, let's make a video for somebody that might need some help. Pop these out. These are your plugs. You're going to pull those out. And there's also two screws right here. One 10 millimeter right here. One 10 millimeter right here. And then after that, your ECU should just fall out in your hands. All right. So here's your ECU out. And that's what you're going to send in. You're going to mail them in this. And then they'll send you back one that has K-Pro. Perfect. Okay, I also thought I should throw this piece in there just in case you're doing like a reflash or something like that. You're gonna have to mail them your immobilizer and your key also to your car. To get to that, there are 4 screws on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna remove those with a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm not gonna take this apart because obviously I'm not sending mine in for reflash, but this is just information. Take out those 4 screws on the bottom. You're then going to take a flathead screwdriver, pop this top clamshell up. The bottom one will just fall right out. Behind here is your immobilizer. There's going to be a key ring that goes around here. There's going to be a little plug, green plug that goes in right here. You're going to unplug that green plug. You're going to take 2 screws out. They're going to be 2 Phillips head screws back here. And then you're just going to take that off and put that with your ECU and obviously your key. And then you mail that to them, and then they send you back everything you need. And you install it right in the reverse order. How much easier could it get? Sorry, guys. Just a little DIY video to help some people out. But, yeah, next video, who knows what we'll be doing. Later.